Неорганизованно бегают. Бежали.
Одна поленилась, а нет, наверное, так и запланировано.
Ой, с красным хвостом.
Это началось шоу «Птиц только для нас». Единственные мы посетители зоопарка сегодня. Этого.
Блин.
Нет.
Молодец, молодец.
Молодец, браво, браво. Ты крут.
Лилия, ты это?
Смотри, он же для тебя летает.
Тебя старается, Лилия, ты его это...
Смотри, он показывает, как он умеет.
Подбадривай его. Молодец, молодец.
Okay, so that is our first animal, and her name is Lulu. Okay, so Lulu here is our African gray parrot. So of course, they are living in the wild of Africa, most likely in an open spaces or in the forest. So their food in the wild are different kinds of fruits and different kinds of seeds and different kinds of nuts. So of course, they can live for around 60 to 80 years of age. So that's how long they can live in the wild. So of course, later on, you're going to meet Ben and Charlie. So those are Lulu's friends. So for now, let's say goodbye for Lulu.
Мы потом сможем это посмотреть видео через Яндекс. И он нам его переведет.
Об этом он о птице рассказал.
Да.
Okay, so for our next animal, let's meet Frankie.
Это кто? Ой, это кто это?
Какая-то выдра.
Смотри, сейчас он вам
Okay,
покажет.
so Frankie here is our banded mungus. So the banded mungus, they are known for having a black stripe from their shoulder or from their back,
Mongoose.
from their shoulder down to their tail. So they are omnivore animals, which means that they are eating different kinds of fruits. The fruits coming from a tree that goes on the ground, they're eating those things. And of course, the different kinds of meat. So most likely, one of their favorite meat are the poisonous scorpion. They can also take down a snake or a snake. So in the wild, you're going to see this animal most likely in the group. So one group of banded mungus, it consists of around 6 individual up to 40 individual banded mungus. So of course, the leader of their group are females or is female. So the female is the ones leading their group, and of course, since that, like I told you, that they can take down those snake, so some of their group will go in front of the snake and tease the snake, and some of their group are behind the snake to eat the meat of the snake. So they were going to stand up with their own 2 feet like this to check out if there's a threat in the sky or on the ground, or sometimes they're standing with their own 2 feet to look for any kind of food. So now, let's say goodbye for Frankie and with his trainer, Tarush, right there.
Yes.
Классно, Лиля?
Okay, so for our next animal that we're going to show you, this one is our 2 cute helmeted guinea fowls.
Кто сейчас будет следующий? Кто сейчас будет? О,
Okay, so right there we have our 2 helmeted guinea fowl with their trainer, Nisal, right there. So that's why they are known as the helmeted guinea fowl, because they have a cast on the top of their head. And they said that the bigger they are, the more dominant they can be. And some said that the bigger they are, the more, or those are the males. And the smaller one, or the small cast on their head, are the females. So they're omnivore animal as well, so which means that they're eating different kind of seeds, plants, and of course different kind of meat. And one of their favorite meat as well are the insects. And of course their favorite are the crickets or mealworms. So of course you're going to see this animal also same they are on the group. So one group of guinea fowl is known as confusion. So that's why they are known as confusion because they're going to confuse their predator with their unique sounds and of course the wattle, that is the one you see beneath its beak. So if there's any threat on the ground, so they will going to get like a snake. If there's a snake on the ground, so they will make a loud noise to warn the community, or not only the guinea fowl, to warn all the animals that do not go to that place. There is a threat. So of course, let's say goodbye now for our guinea fowl. Right there, we have Alvin and Simon right there, and with the bed.
О, вот это класс.
So they were going to make a short flight first for this morning.
Вон он.
Okay, Charlie, come
Да.
right over here.
О, полетел.
Okay, can you go on the side, Charlie? Can you go on the side? Okay, there you go. Okay, how about you, Ben? Come here.
А к нам не прилетит.
Ben?
У нас нету семечек. Нет, тут лилия нельзя.
Okay, can you go
Окей, ладно, иди.
on the center?
Дать или тебе
Ben?
конфету?
Can you go? Okay, Ben? Okay, Ben. Ben did a good job for this morning. So let's say goodbye for Ben. And later on, we're going to see Charlie after this. Okay, so since Charlie is with me right now, I'm going to need a volunteer. So how about the young one with wearing blue? Is she okay with the birds? The young one?
Волонтер нужен, да?
The young one? The young.
Я, да.
Пусть Лилия.
А Лили, ее можно? Лили, пошли. Одевай.
О, давайте я поближе сейчас подойду, сяду, чтобы посмотреть.
Сейчас ты, Лили, пойдешь.
Ты сейчас будешь...
Волонтером, да.
Да, давай. Быстрее. Сейчас ты самое интересное
Okay,
пойдешь.
go there.
А, сюда, Лили, иди. Лили, вон
Давай,
сюда.
иди туда.
Go there and our
Ступай.
keeper. Right there, Jerry will going to help you. Okay, please sit down. Sit down for a while.
Не бойся, Лили, не бойся.
Okay, ready your camera and you stand up. Okay, Jerry? Okay, ready your camera. Okay, Charlie is very excited to meet her.
Классно, да,
So did you
Лилия?
know that these animals, they are highly intelligent kind of animals, so they copy or replicate any kind of sounds for their entertainment. Okay. How about you, sir? You, sir? You want to try? Yes,
ты.
you.
Сейчас я буду. Лили,
Ой.
спи осторожно.
А потом я тогда, Дима, ты будешь это.
Okay. Charlie? Okay, Charlie's going there. There you go, Charlie. So like I told you, they are highly intelligent kind of animal. They can also, or they want to use their mind to do a problem
Ah, yeah,
solving.
теперь.
That's why here in SHARJAH Safari, we always give them an enrichment for them
yeah.
to be able to use their mind.
Я спроси, можно
How
это я
about you,
тоже?
ma'am? You want
Давай,
to do?
на, держи.
Тебя, да.
Okay,
Сейчас
can
мама,
you
да?
sit down for a while? Sir, sit down, please. Thank you. Okay, Charlie, go. Meet our volunteer. Okay, Charlie, can you come right over here? Okay, so how about the big hand of applause for our brave volunteer? And of course, for Charlie for doing a good job.
Все, садимся.
Все, так. Да.
Садись.
Okay, so for the next animal that we're going to show you, this one is known as a bird of prey. So they have, or they are known for having a long, sharp nails, and they have a hooked bill. So now, everybody, look right there. Look right there. On the top of you. Right there.
Черная птица.
Okay, so that's why they're able to do that, because in the wild you're going to see them that they are catching an insect that is flying. So in the mid-air they're catching those things. So that's why they're able to do that. So of course, in the wild you're going to see them most likely in the forest or in the sea. Or sometimes you're going to see them in our city. So now, let's say goodbye for, okay. So that's why they're able to do that also because they are scavenger birds. So which means that whatever is on the ground, they will going to snatch it or eat it. Okay, so now let's say goodbye for our trainer and our black-eared kite.
Куда это вся музыка?
Не знаю. О, браво, браво! Ой, еще один. Артисты театра. О, вот, Лиля, бывает кукольный театр, театр людей и театр птиц, и театр зверей, и театр дельфинов. Ты сегодня... Да, но дельфинарий, я просто это... О, как красиво они влетели. О, да. Это попугайчики же. Ой, смотри. Вокруг нас прямо летают. Классно как. О, молодец. Красавец. Это, Лиля, такое выступление птиц. Да. А сейчас фламинго. Сейчас Лиля фламинго покажет мастер-класс. Браво, браво.
Okay, so this is the rest of our animals. So we have our fulvous ducks right over there, and we have our group of African gray parrot right over here, and we have our group of guinea fowl that is coming down right there, or it's already here. So of course we have our tall and sexy greater flamingo right over there. So the show will not be possible with our good trainer. We have Ems right over here. And there we have Dizar right over there, and behind our sound we have Nirmal right there, and the one who's watching our bird, we have Kabidu right there. So my name is Jordan, so thank you very much for having your time here in SHARJAH Safari's amphitheater, and of course, have a good day here in SHARJAH Safari. Thank you, and goodbye!
Bye.
Bye.
Лилия, аплодируй.